Hey everyone, today we're reviewing the Kringle Heaven Garland, a viral holiday decoration deal popping up online. The big question is it legit or scam? Let's get started. Thousands of buyer on Trustpilot give Kringle Heaven a very low score, rating around 1.4 out of 5, with over 90% one-star reviews. People report orders taking weeks to arrive, products looking nothing like the full lush garlands shown in ads or arriving extremely sparse and cheap looking. Many customers say that the shipping time is far longer than advertised, and customer service doesn't respond or even ghosts them when asked for refunds. The BBB Scam Tracker reports describe the refund policy as a major red flag. They claim 90-day money-back guarantee, but refunds required to pay to ship them item back, often in China, at cost similar or more than the original purchase. That's not a typical legitimate retailers. Independent reviews also show a fake or misleading advertising images, often pulled from other listings and misrepresenting the product's quality. So, is this Kringle Garland scam or legit? The overwhelming evidence points the deceptive practices. It offers false advertising, poor quality products, slow shipping, and difficulty refunds. It may not be a traditional scam, but it feels like a drop shipping trap that misleads customer and make returns hard or expensive. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.